Alright, this is an unboxing of a carbon monoxide detector. I bought this carbon monoxide detector to detect carbon monoxide for when I travel, because many times some of the places that I stay at do not have a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide can be very worrisome in places with old furnaces and other things, so I decided to get one. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This right here, it comes in this box right here. It's made in China. Not much detail around it, just has some features on the side. Human voice prompt, highly reliable. It only takes a couple of batteries, I think, some AAA batteries. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it that way. And inside, there is the carbon monoxide detector wrapped in plastic. Here are some items that you can use to mount it on a wall. And here are some notes right here for how to use. And inside right here is the detector. It's wrapped in plastic. I'm just going to take the plastic off and see this right here. The batteries go inside. It says twist off, twist on, twist off. Not sure. I'll see how that works later on. Twist off. I'm guessing that's for taking it off the wall. Right here is plastic for safety plastic. Pull it off. Test is what you would press once we put batteries in there. I haven't put batteries in here, but here it's relatively simple box right here. Once you add, oh, there it goes. So here are the batteries inside. Comes preloaded with batteries, so you twist off to replace the batteries or to see them in here. So those are the batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Put that back on, come up here and go to test. Not sure why it doesn't test yet. Let me go ahead and see if, is there some sort of mechanism. Go ahead, pull out the batteries. Okay, so there is some plastic over the battery to keep them from working. So I'm going to remove this plastic, and then I'm going to put the batteries back in, and I'm going to go ahead and check it out to see if it works. Put the other batteries in. There's one more.
Welcome to use our voice carbon monoxide detector. Testing. Please wait 2 minutes.
Alright, so it takes about 2 minutes for it to detect. It comes on right here. It's testing, and it counts down from 120 seconds, which is equivalent to 2 minutes. So it's going to count down and get there, and this is the unboxing of the carbon monoxide detector. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.